Right. I'm continuing from the last day lesson. As I instructed you, the first thing is when you see this kind of thing, first thing is you need to divide this virtually into the columns and rows, and that is must. Why? Because you need to extend these lines, divide it into the rows and columns. Why? Because so then only you will understand how many columns are really there and how many rows are really there. This can be done easily by extending these lines. I'm going to extend them. Extend this line and extend this line downwards also. You can extend these two lines also. And let's extend this and this. Do not draw over the lines, then the lines will not be visible. Therefore, I'm not drawing over the line. I'm just continuing if lines are not there. Lines are not there. If lines are there, I'm not continuing. I'm just. So now you can see here. So this will divide the table into how many columns? In total, how many columns? Yes. Count and tell me how many columns in the table now? Yes.
7.
7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here, when you divide, when you extend these, how many rows are there? You can see the rows. When you extend these, you can see the rows.
Five.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, right? Why 5? Here, why 5? Okay. Here, rows 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 rows. Here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. 6 rows, 7 columns, right?
Yeah.
Agree or not?
Agreed, sir.
Okay. Now create the general table for that. Now you can create the general without dividing, without merging, just create the table. So quickly do that. Okay, you can do that now without without dividing, without merging, just create a table which has 7 columns, 6 rows. Okay, do this now. 7 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. It's copy and paste in it. But anyway, good that you have done this just within 1 minute, 1.5. Okay, just very quickly. Okay, let's continue. How can we do this in our sheet? And you can just say HTML, open HTML, close, and then the head section open, head section close, and the title section open, and the title section close, and then the body section open and the body section close. Okay, let's continue. And then you have the table section. Let's say table border is equal to 1. Table border is equal to 1 and table section close. Okay. Great. Now, table row. Each table row consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 table data. So you can just copy paste this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, there are 6 such rows. So you can copy this. Paste, 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 paste. Now you have 6 such. Save it. So see how easy that is. Just save it. You can save maybe with any name. I'm going to save the documents. Save it. Close it. Clear it. Let's go there. Documents. Opening this. You can see here. Unfortunately, size is the problem. You can just change it to width 100% to make it like entire width, and the height also 100% to make it. See, it clearly divide this. Now you have the controllers. Like now you have your controllers with height, and you can just adjust that and do this. Okay, next is, you can see here all 6, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all 7 are merged. So here all 7 merged. That means there is only one cell. There's only one cell. As all 7 merged to create that. So how can I create that? You can say call span equals 7, because there are 7 columns which are merged. Here refresh, you can get that. Easy. Very easy. The last one also, all 7 merged. So same thing, go there, erase others, keep only one, tell that, all span equals 7 as it merge all 7. Easy work. Already done. Now this is the result. So see, it's very, very easy. Now can you apply other merges? Right. Can you apply the other merges? Don't change the width, height, no, don't change anything. Just apply the other merges. So you have again 3 minutes to complete. Apply the other merges. Here the row merging, column merging, row merging both. Here column merging, row merging means here column merging, column merging. Please apply that. You have 3 minutes. Right. Second one, actually, what you need to do for the second row, this goes 1, 2, 3, 4 downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4 downwards. So you have to say here, row span equal 4. 1 is removed. The second, I will keep this actually. I will keep and comment this. Otherwise, like you might not know. Okay, once commented, this will be ignored. Ne? Otherwise, like you will think that it need to be commented. Then you know how many cells need to be allocated for the particular one. Okay. Commented one will be ignored. Then row span for the next here downwards, you have to ignore 3. And same thing apply here. So you need to row span by 4. Yes, row span by 4 and apply the same format in there. Okay, here also you need to merge 4. Then you need to merge this 4 together. Not this one, the second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this row. Second and fourth. No, 1, 2, 3. Third and fifth. Third and fifth. 1, 2, 3. Third and fifth. Third and fifth. Third and fifth. This is third. Where's the third? This is third, sir. This is third, third and the fifth. You need to merge 5 columns there. Call span 5. Just need to merge 5 columns there. And to give the room, you have to remove the next. This need to be removed to give the room. Okay. Here also need to be removed. Okay, done. Save. Okay. This 5 is already there, and this 2 and this 3 need to be merged. This 2 and this 3 need to be merged. This 2 need to be merged. Call span 2. Sorry. Call span 2. Sorry, you need to comment this. Why commenting? Because then you will understand this was there but removed, right? That's why. Otherwise, like I can delete that will also work, but I just need to show that this was there but removed. Removed because the calls are merged. Okay. Now we can see the margin properly. And here you have to change the height. Of the first one is okay. The second one height need to be changed. This one height need to be changed. Height is, let's say, 50 pixels. Okay, down. This one and this one height is maybe same 50, right? 50 pixels. The previous one 40, right? Sorry, 40 here, 40, 40, 50, 40, 50, 100 here. Right, is 100 here. 140, 140, 50, 250, 60. 250, 60. The last one is also 100, I guess. Is it 100? Yes, it's 100. Then 960 here. 960 here. That means this 960 is basically this one, right? This one is 960. You can give this single one 960 width equal 960. 960. Okay, so right, 960. 960. Here, this one will be 40. This is not given, that, but that doesn't matter. 960, 960, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. පහට බෙදුවම එනවා. And here 384, 576. With this 384. $576. Oh, height, not height, sorry, width. Okay. Here 960. 960 divided by 5. 960 divided by 5. 192. Here each column, each cell will be, each of this will be 192. Width of this 190. Okay, I guess now it's correct. All 192. This 9 now, this is not needed actually because I have set previous one. 196. Okay, I guess this part is over now. Okay, this doesn't need your styling part, right? Styling make it. You have, I saw that Kalhara has added CSS, but that is not required because this can be done just with HTML. This can be done just with the HTML file. And what else? The colors, of course, yes. Colors. This is light gray, dark gray, blue. Okay, let's apply that. Basically, this row is light gray. BGCOLOR is equal to light gray. Okay. Here it is the dark gray or the gray. Is it the one? Yes, it's dark gray. This one is blue. Say blue, ash, red, green, blue, same. Okay. Some more blue. And adding that BG color to this one too. Done. Now what? Now this need to be in blue color. So let's apply this one, blue colors. Okay. I hope it's not. Yes. That's the one. Okay. Maybe you can make it more darker by adding this dark gray one or the gray one. You can say more dark. Here, let's make it gray. Okay, this is the structure that I expected you to do. And can you complete this now? You will be given 3 more minutes. I'll give 5 more minutes to complete this. As the activity you can see there, don't apply CSS. Just write that using basic HTML. VG color is enough. Width is enough. Height is enough. VG color is enough. Right. Object linking and embedding. Right. The last thing that we are going to discuss today is object linking and embedding. How can we link and embed? Or how can we basically link and embed objects? What's linking? What is embedding? So linking, in the sense, links are pointed to the resources after basically triggering it. When you click, when you move, when you mouse over, when you do something, the links will be activated. But when it is embedded, it will be automatically there in the website. For an example, when you go to Google, so you can see the Google logo appearing there. That is embedded. But when you click on this Google search, or I'm feeling like go Sinhala or Tamil, that will move to the particular place. That is a link. This is a link. This is also a link. When you click only, it will, when you give some trigger, when you activate it only, it will work. But this image is already embedded. These images, icons are already embedded to the page. Therefore, you can see when you load the page. Okay, let's go to another website. Let's go to the W3 schools. When you go visit the W3 schools, you can see there are a lot of codes, blocks, text there. Mostly it is text. And yes, it is text mostly. But here you can see this is an animation. It is embedded to the page. Embedded means by default, when you load the page, it will also be loaded and displayed in the or rendered in the web browser. That is called embedding. Right? No need to click on the link. By default, when you load the page, it will be there. That is called embedding. And these are images. You can see those are embedded. Right? Color picker, these images, those are embedded. Right? But links, when you click on the link only, it will be activated. So here, when you go there, okay, when you click on this exercise, you can see the exercise page. That is a link. When you click on start exercise, you will be given the exercise. P about the school, P about the schools, and so what is that? Basically, it's a tooltip. Let's say tip. It's not the tip, but anyway, it's not the answer. It's a title. P title that will add the tooltip to the paragraph. Likewise, you can practice this. You can go to the HTML exercises and practice this. Headings, paragraphs, quotation, images, everything you can practice by just putting it. Okay. So that can be done. So this is W3 schools. You can go to the exercises and practice all the exercises. So that will be really great if you can complete all the exercises. Then you will have good knowledge in basically you have good knowledge in specific topic HTML. Okay, so then you know the difference between linking and embedding. Can you please write down this very quickly? So what are these links and what is embedding? So links are pointing to the resources after triggering, but the embedded things will be displayed automatically in the page. It is called rendering. That can be rendered in the browser itself. That is, and there are 3 types of links, internal, external, and also the bookmarks or the same page. These 3 links are available to you. Please write down this. Let's see how bookmark is working. In order to apply a bookmark, you need to make this page a lengthier one. Right? I'll take a copy of this, create a new page. This one, this. save this as and then I'm going to write a paragraph and few paragraphs actually. These paragraphs are going to be lengthy, therefore what I'm going to do is I will generate some random paragraph text. Maybe I can use equal RAND in Word to generate a random text, okay? Now I can just copy it, cut it, paste it there. Because in order to make this paragraph lengthy, I'm using that text. Let's close the paragraph here. Let's have the paragraph open here. And close in and open in here also. Close in, open in here also. And close in, open in here also, right? Okay, now I have few paragraphs. Okay, let's copy them all, copy this, and I'm going to paste this again, a few times. Save the document, open it back. So now this page is going to be a very lengthy page. It's like this. It's not that much lengthy, but anyway, it's lengthier. Or if it is not enough, then I can copy paste this one more time. Okay, that's it. Save it, and then what you are going to do is you are going to put a link there. Okay, this is the first place. Href equal, I'm going to put a link to hash bottom. Let's say go to bottom. And actually, I just need to mention that in the bottom also. Here I can say a name equal bottom. That's it. No need to put a link, but you can say a name equal bottom. Actually, what will happen if I try to click on the link which is in the top, it will go to the bottom of the page. But it's better to have a link in the bottom also. It's better to have a link in the bottom also. Therefore, I'm going to add another one. Href equal hash top. Save. Go there and I will add a bookmark there, a name equal top. So this bookmark will point to the top. Now I have by links, by like both sides. When I click this, going to bottom, when I click, where's my bottom? So I have to mention this actually in the bottom. Stop. Go to top. Save. Let's see. Refresh. Click. Go to bottom. Now I'm in the bottom. Go to top. We'll go to the top. So likewise, you can add the bookmark to middle also. Anywhere within same page, you can navigate using these bookmarks. Within the same page, you can navigate using bookmarks. Another way is a name equal top true. Name the bookmark. A href equal. You can say hash top to go there. Or you can use ID property also. There's another way that you can use the ID. Without mentioning a name bottom, you can say, okay, something like this, maybe div ID equal bottom. That will also work. Div ID equal bottom. Let's save this. This will also work. Either I have to give a name or ID. Yeah. It's still working. Still it's working. Either you have to use ID or you have to use a name. This is also okay. Or you can use, I'll put it that in the comment. Or you can use maybe div ID equal bottom and div closing. So that will also work out for this case. Okay, try it now. Type a lengthier paragraph, apply the bookmark and see. You know, in Wikipedia, like websites, they are using these bookmarks heavily because these are lengthy articles. In order to go down and go up, they are using bookmarks.